Hello, my darlings. We are unboxing the June collection for Coco Daisy. It is called Mediterranean Muse, and I am in love. I'm in love. I already kind of opened up the pocket cards a little bit just to see them. I just put them back in. This collection is beautiful. It is beautiful for summer. It's lemony, it's blues, it's like ocean life, like the octopus and seashells are a motif, but the lemons are definitely there. I'm in love with it, but you may not, but I love it. So remember, I usually get the Scrapbooking core kit. I get the additional pocket cards, and then I also get the simple dory. And I always start off with the simple dory so you can see the pattern papers and then see kind of what will be repeated amongst the collection. So it is really just quite summery and fun. So here's the opening page. Here we have a repeated, almost like a tile work in yellow. Here we are with a blue repeating pattern, almost like tile work as well. There's the classic lemon. A good navy and white stripe. Here is that like beachy Suncoast Mediterranean vibe with the wine bottles, anchors, sunglasses, the fish, the coastline. Repeating pattern. Made for sunny days. A nice bright yellow, cheery yellow. This one's like a coral and like very pastel orange stripe. There is that tile work with the octopus, fish, and then the crab. Love that. Repeating anchors. The map. Blue on blue tone. The lemons. The repeating pattern mosaics again, like tiles. The beautiful little illustrations down the side. There's that repeating pattern again. I love the octopus. See? So beautiful. So beautiful. Love it. Okay, so that's the simple dory. Then for the cards, here we are with the June. Love it. June memories. That map again. Salt in the air, sand in my hair. See, just so pretty. So pretty. My skin is sweet. Ugh, like, look at the illustrator. Oh, so good. You see? Okay, I may love it more than someone else might, but still. It is always so good. I love the little Vespa. Beautiful tile. Look, I love octopus too. Giraffe and octopus. I just find them so fascinating. It's beautiful. There's that repeating tile. Happy Father's Day. There's the repeat card. Love that. Here's that one. There's that one. See? So good. So good. Wait for sunny days. Doing just fine. Octopus. Good food times. It's so cute. Very cute too. A lot of usable ones. You know what I mean? Like just a really good mix. I think. A really good mix. And then for the 4x6, the classic header. Cute. Looks like a postcard. See? Octopus. Oh, one that's vertical. Another like postcard. Summer. And then the calendar card. So those are so good. So good. Okay, and then in the Scrapbooking core kit, there is a piece of yellow ribbon. There's probably some tags or something in there. We have... Stop. In this first pack of ephemera, Maui. In this first pack of ephemera, we have like a circles of everything. So circle galore. And the little lemons, little anchors, sunny days. And a mix still of the repeating patterns and everything. So this one's really good. Then the other ephemera pack is like the icons for sure. Icons for sure. So we have the palm tree, the wine bottles, the sunglasses, the coastline, the fish, the crab, the lemons, some tabs. There's some tags. And some foliage. The Maui! The 3x4 stamp. Great sentiment. And then the little fish is the icon along with the little lemon peel. The enamel dots. Love that colorway. Love the colorway. Here are the chipboard. The rub-ons. So good. So good. I love their designer. Here are Maui! Here are the puffy stickers, puffy alphas in the yellow. Then you got 2 pieces of the white cardstock. And are they repeating? They always are repeating. Okay. So the papers are the lemons, the repeating mosaic with the fish, the mosaic again, the map, the coral on coral stripe, and then the anchors. So good. So good. And then lastly, I get the journaling kit. Oh, you know what? Wait a minute. Okay, I'm wondering if that came with washi. I didn't get washi in the scrapbooking kit. Okay, and then for the journaling kit, we have washi, which is a blue on blue diagonal stripe. We have the journaling card and prompts and the stickers. So the icon, well, the sentiments and the washi strips, the days of the week, the full page, the 2 full page washi stickers. I can see these just being also stickers. That's good. I kind of like that. This is gorgeous. The icons with the washi tape stickers, and then the blue alpha. And then we get 2 more sets of rub-ons in this one. Oh, I like that wave. The wave is good. I love the little montage ones. So good. So good. All right, my sweets. So this is the unboxing. Let me clear my desk and let's make a project using this kit. Let's get started. And I forgot to show you one thing before I moved on. I also received this large roll of stickers, clear stickers that have a bunch of circle like sentiments with the center empty. So wander far, capture it all, sunshine, sand, and stories. Let the map guide you. And they're in like different fonts of thickness. You can see some of them right there. And they're clear circle stickers. And so they were sitting on my desk and I forgot to show it when I was doing the unboxing. So let's get started. I'm going to be doing a spread in my Simple Dory. We did go to the beach. I have a fun little beach picture of Valentina having some fun. And so let's tell the story. Okay, so let's get started on our first project using our Simple Dory. I have a picture that I already printed with us recently at the beach. We love to go occasionally and collect seashells and jump the waves. I printed my photo at 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, and then I think I smidged it down just a little bit so that there was a border around the entire photo. That was just done intentionally just to have that effect. You could have a full page photo in your dories as well, and that look is also very striking. I decided on this repeating pattern that kind of looks like a mosaic tile paper, but you saw me audition out a few options. This is definitely a great journal for the summer. I definitely will keep it out in the upcoming months because I definitely would like to use the entire dory. There's always some that I keep out intentionally to kind of use up because the pages are just so pretty. And this one is definitely one of them, even though last month too with Flourish was good. So here I am decorating my photo with a washi sticker that says made for sunny days. And I love the washi stickers because they almost look like rub-ons too. You know, they just look like they're part of the page that they land on, and that is great. So one of the 3x4 cards that says like salt in the air, sand in my hair, I made into a little tag. So I just cut off the notches at the top and put some of that yellow ribbon that was also included in the kit. And then I'm just kind of going through, you know me, and for me, not to say formulaic, but I like to then start embellishing once I kind of have my main pieces. So you see me cutting off and auditioning off some of the rub-ons from the kit for the card. And I do know that I wanted to make the card a flip up in order to house my journaling underneath it, because since it was a busy paper, I would either have to hide it or kind of use my journaling on like white paper so that it was blocked off because the pattern paper was not lending itself to be seen very readily. And on the photo itself, I'm trying to do a cluster of some of these circle embellishments, which I do like a good collection of circles. They sort of all warrant themselves to be used together in a group, or in essence, too, I think the circle is a go-to shape for me. I always have my circle punches out, so I do like having this pack of embellishments that's a variety of circles with all different sorts of illustrations. Some are just plain, some have a sentiment, some have an illustration, and some have a little bit of text, and the variety is also great. So I'm going to definitely do a cluster on the bottom corner of that photo. It will be an arrangement of circles, and then that little crab rub-on definitely makes it onto the page. I do love that one so much. Then to make the flap actually to flip, I usually do just like a 1-inch piece of cardstock that I just fold in half and kind of create that hinge. But lately I remember keeping the leftover pieces of my matte sticker paper like on my desk. When you're cutting around journaling and stuff, you're left with odds and ends, and sometimes if they're at least 1 inch wide, they make for good hinges as well. And the fact that it's sticker paper actually works out better because it's then it's clear onto my hinge anyway, so I don't have to worry about any pattern paper showing. And then B, since the sticker paper is a little bit of like a plastic layer, it's probably more sturdy than just the cardstock, so it's a win-win. So whenever you have your clear sticker paper, don't throw out the remnants from cutting out your journal, because it definitely can be used to create hinges as well. So here I am using that little crab guy, so cute. Not that I ever see crabs on the beach, because by all means my daughter would run the other way and scream. But I love the crab as an icon, and actually the collection too with the octopus. I definitely have other projects using the octopus because that's one of my favorite animals, along with the giraffe. Octopus and giraffe, I don't know what it is about the two, probably most odd looking animals, but an octopus has my heart, and a giraffe, I think they're just striking animals. So the crab got used as well. So that side is done. I think here I am making that moment for the hinge, and then I do believe I don't do my journaling now, so because it didn't need it to be on the finished photo project, the photos of the project, but I do go back and add it on just white copy paper, just so that it did kind of stand out from the background enough to be read. And it simply says things like what we did that day, how much pounds of seashells we collected, how she was wave running and everything else. And then I'm adding a little bit of stamping, and you can see right there I freaking dropped the stamp, and so now I have to go back in and kind of re-stamp over smudges. But then my fingers were gross, and then I touched it twice on my white freaking 3x4 card. So then I go in with enamel dots to cover everything up. It happens to me too, folks. Okay, that will wrap up this project. I will go ahead and do journaling just on probably white copy paper and put a little square in this area right there behind that. That way it's just hidden, and a little bit of stamping. And you saw I dropped it and had to make do. And then everything else that my inky fingers did, I put another enamel dot near it because, oh my God, I dropped the stamp. But it happens to me too. Love how the sticker turned out in the cloud, it was always there. And then the little cluster of die cuts, rub-ons, and a chipboard piece with some enamel dots as well. Very cute. Very simple, very cute, very fresh. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.